what if God? What if God granted you the power to envision a life beyond your wildest dreams? What if God's plan for you was greater than anything you could imagine? What if God's boundless love and strength were already within you, waiting to be unleashed? You see, what if God isn't just a question, it's an invitation to explore the limitless potential that lies within each one of us. It's a call to awaken the greatness that resides in the depths of our souls. What if God has blessed you with unique gifts and talents, not to be hidden away, but to be shared with the world? In life, we often face challenges that can leave us feeling lost, discouraged, or afraid. But what if God reminds us that even in the face of adversity, we have the power to overcome? It urges us to see setbacks as opportunities for growth, to embrace failure as a stepping stone toward success. What if God's plan for you is greater than the obstacles you encounter? What if God has placed those hurdles in your path to help you build strength, resilience, and character? Embrace those challenges with courage and unwavering faith, for they are the forge that will shape you into the person you were destined to become. Remember, my friends, what if God doesn't guarantee a life without difficulties? Instead, it promises that you have been equipped with everything you need to face them. Each trial you endure is a chance to reveal the warrior within you, a chance to show the world that you are not defined by your circumstances, but by your unwavering spirit and determination. What if God encourages us to look beyond ourselves and our immediate circumstances? It urges us to embrace compassion, empathy, and love for our fellow human beings. What if God's plan for the world depended on us being kinder, more understanding, and more united? Let us not be blinded by our differences, but enlightened by the beauty of our diversity. What if God's purpose for us is to create a world where everyone is accepted for who they are, a world where love and understanding triumph over hatred and division? My friends, what if God is not just a question? It's an invitation to be a force for good in this world. It's a call to action, to live our lives with purpose, passion, and unwavering faith. Trust in yourself and the divine spark that resides within you. So let us rise together, hand in hand, and embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery, service, and fulfillment. Embrace the challenges, embrace the uncertainties, and embrace each other, for what if God has placed us here right now for a reason? Believe in your dreams, for they are the whispers of God guiding you toward your destiny. Have faith in your abilities, for they are the divine gifts bestowed upon you. And never forget, with "What if God" as our guiding mantra, there's no limit to what we can achieve together. Thank you, and may you be blessed with the strength to answer the call of "What if God" and create a life that inspires others and brings joy and meaning to your own soul.